Nangamanladi.
Nangamaladi.
Aunty Munya.
Yes.
Ask Aunty for today. Are there any seasonal celebrations for Aboriginal First Nations people that are shared across most First Nations people?
Well, there wouldn't be anything shared because the different,
All the different
the
countries.
different countries and languages and that. But first of all, in terms of seasonal festivities, just bear in mind there are no proverbial 4 seasons in Indigenous cultures. Many of the cultures have either 6 to 8 or more seasons, so that's the first thing to be aware of. And then within each season, yes, there would be specific festivities that's particular to only that particular group. So, for instance, right now in Bardi country, it's Bagan season, which is the dugong hunting season. And around November, in the hot summer months in the alpine regions, including Victoria, you have the Bogon Moth festivals that were held. So there'll be festivities like that. In terms of Wurundjeri people, you'd have to check with Wurundjeri people themselves in Melbourne to see what particular festivals they had, what festivities they had, seasonal festivities. So good luck with that. And when you find out, let us know as well.
Yeah, and great to look into those different seasonal calendars.
Yes.
Yeah. Thanks, Ask Aunty.